Hi, I'm Francha Barnard, and this is my love letter to the Door County Libraries, especially my local one. At the Bailey's Harbor Library, your anticipation rises as you enter the tiny 2 rooms of your town's library halfway up the peninsula. Today you browse, choose, sit to read a bit, and the walls fall away. The ceiling recedes. You are hiking the Highlands in Scotland, building the Panama Canal, rolling on a whaler in the Atlantic, sneaking through the garden's secret gate, picking blueberries for Sal. This place can manipulate magic, can carry you away on a deep, cozy chair at the price of 0. This place can bring tears, laughter, fear between the covers in your hands. This place tickles your funny bone, twists your temper, pulls at your heart, and it's all yours. How luscious is that?